Watch full episodes on Geo Hotstar.
Where's Tadley? He loved this. He'll be here in half a minute.
How do you know that, Zing?
I hear his feet crunching in the dirt.
Here I come.
I knew your hearing was good, Zing, but that was awesome. I wouldn't say that, but you can.
I guess we're through playing on the ice. What's next?
How about hide and seek?
8, 9, 10. Time's up. Zing, 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 zing. Okay. Roxy's under the rock. Tadley's in the grass. Purple's by the bush. Melody's in the tree.
How did you find us? You didn't even look.
I heard where you were hiding. Roxy scraped the rock. Tadley bent the grass. Purple wiggled the bush. And I heard Melody land on the branch. That's incredible! Someday there's gonna be a legend about you. The legend of Zing. I like the sound of that.
I tell you, Zing can hear the wind before it blows.
How could anybody do that?
You're joking. Zing can hear a snowflake hit the ground? Amazing!
Oh, I couldn't do that. Could I? I don't want to brag, but my hearing is legendary. Once I heard my way home through a blizzard. Snow so thick, you couldn't see your nose in front of your face. But I used my awesome ears to find the way. Zing, zing, zing! Oh, hi, Purple. I didn't hear you. I couldn't hear you because that cloud was so noisy.
Are you sure about that, Zing?
Friend, you're looking at a rabbit who can hear snow fall before it falls. I heard that coming. That too. And that one.
Did you see? It's starting to snow.
Let's go to the big hill. By the time we get there, it'll be covered with snow.
Looks like it's turning into a blizzard. We'd better get home.
But which way is home?
I'm not sure. Come on, let's get out of the storm.
I want to go home, Purple.
We will, Tadley. We will.
But we can't find our way in this blizzard unless Zing can use his awesome ears to hear the way home.
But it's so windy. Nobody could hear through this. I'll do it with my legendary ears. Zing, zing, zing. Are you sure you know where we're going? Sure. These ears never let me down. Zing, zing, zing.
Didn't we already pass this tree?
The forest is full of trees like that. Zing, zing, zing. That way. What did I tell you? There's another one.
Zing, it's the same tree. We've been going in circles.
I think she's right. We passed this tree 2 or 3 times. I know where I'm going. Zing, zing, zing. This way. What's the matter? Aren't you coming? Don't you trust my awesome ears? But you're you're right. I don't trust them either. I thought I knew the way, but I didn't. I just got us really lost. I thought the legend was true, but it never was. I'm sorry.
Maybe it wasn't true. Maybe you don't have awesome ears. But you have really good ones. Maybe the legend of Zing was just a legend, but you can make it real. There wouldn't be legends unless somebody did something legendary. Make a new one right now.
Yeah, why not? Maybe I just wasn't trying hard enough. Zing, zing, zing. I hear it. I hear the way back.
Well done, Zing! You found the way home!
You found the way home!
You did it!
It was easy. All you need is a couple of legendary ears.
Zing, zing, zing!
Okay, so what are we going to do first?
I think Tadley wants to eat first. His stomach has been rumbling all morning.
Not Tadley.
Then whose stomach is making all that racket?
Nobody's. That's who. There's a storm coming. And it looks like a big one. You little ones better get home soon.
We didn't get a chance to do anything.
Storm won't last forever, and we might get a nice rainbow out of it. Back when I was young, folk used to tell tales about a magic place at the end of a rainbow.
Was it a real place?
Probably just an old tale, like folks used to tell. Oh my, here it comes.
Have to find the magic place. A dream. It was just a dream. Oh. Did you see it, Purple Turtle? Did you see it?
What?
Come with me. It's just like the one I dreamed about.
Wonderful.
Beautiful. Lovely.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Do you think there's a magic place at the end of it?
Well, there's only one way to find out. You'll have to go there and see, Roxy.
Oh, I couldn't. It might be very, very far from here.
You never know where your dreams will lead unless you follow them. Off we go, we don't know where.
To see what we see when we get there. Around the bend that's around the bend
Is a magical place where rainbows end.
I thought we were finally there.
You can't give up now. I'm sure we're closer than we were.
You're right, Purple Turtle. Come on, everybody. We'll find it soon. It's probably just over this hill.
It keeps getting farther and farther away.
Totally tired.
I know, but we'll be there soon. We can't give up now. Around the bend that's around the bend, the magical place where rainbows end.
going to get all the way up there.
I can't fly another inch.
We can make it. You'll see. Right, Purple Turtle?
Right.
We just have to keep trying. Not giving up. Nope. No, sir. Not me. Here I go. Just watch. All right. I give up. I'm sorry, Purple Turtle. I followed my dream, and it led me right here to nowhere.
Maybe you just need to try a little harder. Give me a hand, okay? Take this to the top, Melody, and tie it off.
Hey, wait for me! Ah, there it is! The rainbow's end. I found it! I found the magic place!
I'm sorry, Roxy. I guess there never was a magic place.
But there is, Purple Turtle. It's here. With you and Zing and Tadley and Melody. This is the place I dreamed about.
Around the bend that's around the bend is a magical place where rainbows end.
I can't help it, Purple Turtle. My claws make noise.
Here, put these on. Tadley, ready to help. Great, Tadley. You can hold the poles while Roxy paints them. And then you can hand them to me. Okie dokie, Purple Turtle. It's gonna be beautiful purple, all purply like you.
I'm the Leapfrog King, and I'm not even a frog.
Who's not a frog?
Ow!
Gee, thanks, Zing. Now I have to paint the poles all over again.
I'm sorry, everyone.
Maybe you and Philip could play leapfrog somewhere not so close.
Yeah, come on, Philip. Let's head for the wide open spaces. Yahoo! Hey, I love this. What a sound. Come on, Philip, chime in.
I'm gonna croak!
Huh? I guess it wasn't fast enough for him. I better switch it up.
Too loud.
Ow.
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 Stop. Look, Purple, I'm purple too. Purple Tadley. Well, Purple Tadley, it's time for your bath. Then we'll go see who or what's making all that noise.
Hey, isn't this the greatest?
Well, it's certainly the loudest.
Let's take a break, Zing. We should think of something that all of us can do, like a camp out. Tadley like. Good idea, Tadley. It'll be fun. And quiet too.
Camping, huh? Let's do it.
Not sleepy. Why don't you sing a lullaby, Melody? Purple. Everything's okay, Tatley.
No, it's not. Our sleep is ruined. And I think I know who's responsible. Zing!
We got the beat, we got the beat.
What can we do, Purple Turtle? Even the glow bugs are leaving. Plan A didn't work out like we wanted, I'm afraid.
So what's our plan B, Purple?
We don't have a plan B yet.
Just call me Rockin' Rabbit. Hey, who's making that noise? Don't go, I'll drum louder. I give up.
Zing, what's going on?
I don't know. Someone else is making all that noise, and they made me drop my sticks.
Oh, really? Just like your drumming made me spill my paint.
A knuckle for our pole. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to, but some awful drummer out there is ruining my beautiful music.
Like the way your drumming ruined my beautiful song.
Yeah, I guess I was pretty thoughtless. I really am sorry, guys.
That's
okay,
That's
Zing.
all
right.
Thanks, my friends. Now let's find that other drummer, or none of us will get any sleep tonight. That's the mystery drummer?
They act like giant drumsticks, but how can we shut them up?
Well, we can't stop the wind from blowing, but maybe we can keep the drumming plants from swaying. Grab some vines, friends. We'll tie them up so they can't move. Be careful not to harm them.
Ha! Drum that, plants.
What do we do now, Purple Turtle? We can tie the plants to those trees over there. That might work. Nice job! Watch out!
Oh no! We're never going to be able to stop them now.
Roxy, that's brilliant!
Huh? What should I do now?
Remember when you made that noise when Tadley was napping?
Oh yeah! You made me put cotton grass on my claws to muffle the sounds.
Exactly, and that's what we need to do with the drumming plants.
I hate to spoil the party, but I think we're gonna need something bigger than cotton grass.
And I can see just the thing.
You're the brilliant one, Purple Turtle. We'll use trumpet flowers. Come on, everyone.
Good job, friends. Let's go to bed. Good night, guys. See you in the morning, guys.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone. Sleep tight.
Watch India's largest kids library only on Jio Hotstar. Download the app now.